Hi, my name is Jared. Welcome to my video where I'm going to discuss the estimation of regression parameters. Firstly, let's talk about what regression is. It's a technique used to determine the statistical relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. In some cases, we could have multiple x values that will affect our y value. As you can see on this graph, we have our dots which represent values from the experiment. We also have this line which represents the prediction model, also known as the regression model, and this model represents the graph with minimization of errors. So here is another image that illustrates how our prediction model is found. The blue dots are our various values, and as you can see, the red line represents the y value data as much as possible. The distance between our dots and the line is our error. It is called the random error because it's not the same for each point. By breaking the image down, we can represent the minimization of error as a function that y equals b0 plus b1 times x plus epsilon, the y being our dependent variable in our prediction model. The b0 is our constant that shifts our graph up or down on the y-intercept, and b1 is our slope which affects our x, independent variables, and we use epsilon to represent our error. Furthermore, the general way to find the regression is to consider the summation of b0, b1, b2 all the way up to bk, where k is the number of independent variables. Then we look to the amount of experiments held, n. We have y1, y2, y3, all the way up to yn, so there are multiple equations for y as x goes to x sub k. This can be represented in matrix form. So we could write each equation in matrix form and then solve y equals x times b by multiplying each side by the transposed matrix x to the t, multiplying both sides by the 1 over x to the t, and simplifying for beta. Back to our example of cars passing through a toll. If an engineer needs to know how many cars pass through the tolls to see if they need to build more booths, we can find the prediction model for how many cars are passing through as the day goes on by using an estimation of regression parameters. Thank you for watching.